Hey folks, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Hey, listen up. Imagine earning $30 typing this word over and over again right now, okay? And you know, this technique here, it's new, okay? It's very new website, new protocols, new procedures here. And you can make as much money as you want. You can make $90 if you type 3 words. You can make $120 if you type 4. And what I want to do here, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, it's powerful, it's cool, and like I said, I care about you guys, right? So listen, if you tag below, I want to give some more free cash apps. Yesterday I gave over $200 away. So listen, if you want a cash app during the video here, some free money here, in addition to the $30 of the word that I'm going to give you in this video right here, I'm going to cash out people that tag people below. All you need to do is tag people. The more that you tag, the more likely you are to win the money here. Okay, so look, hey, make sure you sub to the channel. Make sure you sub to wesleyvirgin.com. Wesley, billion dollar virgin here. Why? Show me some love, because I'm showing you love, right? Now, first step is this. You got to be in your bedroom. You got to be relaxed, shut the door, turn off the TV, turn off the phone, because you have to focus. What I'm about to do is give you the word that all you need to do is type on your computer, okay? And I'm going to show you proof here, and it's just easy money, okay? It's just easy money for you. Look at me. You can do this, okay? You can do this. Just believe in yourself. It's important, baby. All right, let's get started here. So make sure you sub to the channel. Smash the like button, baby. If I give you massive value, I'm going to go very slow in this video here. And like I said before, if you tag people below, I'm going to give out free money. If I comment under your comment, that means that you're going to win the money, and I'm going to send you the money immediately. You just tag as many people as humanly possible here. First step, please do not fast forward through the video. You'll never make money if you're not a coachable person, okay? I'm going to coach you through this for free because I love you, okay? I do. I love you. All right, first step is this. Go to a site by the name of MotionDan.com. Now listen, don't go to the site right now and try to do this on your own, because you're going to screw up. Make sure as you're watching the video, as you're listening to my voice, feeling excited because you're getting ready to make $30 every time you type this word that I'm going to give you here. Make sure you listen to me as you do the procedures, okay? This is the easiest way to make some awesome videos. So basically this site, within seconds, guys, you can be able to make a video. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to talk. You don't have to do nothing here. And I'm going to show you how this all works, okay, together. And this is just the easiest way to make videos, because you're going to be using this with this word that I'm going to give you. And they're going to give you $30 minimum over and over and over again. And for all my skeptics, hey, you know, many people that are skeptics of this type of strategies is because you've never made money before. And if you never made money before, of course you would be skeptic, okay? But for all my believers, for all my entrepreneurs out there that are looking to leave the 9-to-5 grind, listen, I just want to show you love. You can make money online. You will make money online. As a matter of fact, I want you to comment below that you will make money online. So all you do is here, go get started here. And all you need to do is connect it with your Facebook or your Google account. They make it very easy to connect it. You don't have to type in your name, your address and all that bull crap, right? All you need to do is connect it with your current Google account here, okay? So what I'm going to do is, while you do that, I'm going to log in, okay? Smash the like button if you guys are with me right now, okay? Smash the like button if you have your laptop out, you're in your bed right now, right? You're relaxed, right? There's no need, you don't need to be naked like me. I don't know, something about having no clothes on. I just make a lot of money, and I tend to do it. It's an anchor for me. So I like to be naked while I'm making money. Smash the like button if you're not to get naked as well. Let's go. So look, I'm gonna log in here, And let me show you how easy this is, okay? I'm gonna log into one of my accounts here. Bada boom, bada bam, bada bing, bada boom, boom, bing, bam, bam, right? So this is instant video templates here. And as you can see here, these are videos that are already created for you. These are templates. You can use this site not just for what I'm about to show you to make $30 per word, but you can use this for ads, for animation, automotive, business services, corporate, events, Facebook. So look, you can use this technique in so many different ways, but I'm gonna give you a very clear, specific way so you can make the $30 over and over again. And guess what? You can do this 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. It's up to you. Okay, as long as you have the work ethic. Smash the like button if you have the work ethic. Okay, I'm serious. If you have the work ethic, you can make up to, with this method here, actually there's no limit. Okay, smash the like button if you have the work ethic. But as you can see here, it's just basically quick videos that you can make within seconds here. You don't have to do much work. You do a couple of clicks here, and I'm going to show you specifically what you need to do right here to make the money online on Autopilot easier than most people here. Okay, so what you want to focus on, please write this down below, is intro and outro. Okay, that's what we're going to focus on in this video. Do you guys hear me? Nod your head right now. Okay, great. Look, intro and outro is what we're going to focus on to be able to make the money online faster than other people here. And listen, this is why people like my stuff and like my videos and sub to my channel, because yeah, I'm a little crazy, but I'm crazy rich and I'm very informative, okay? I just give you the secrets and I just give you exactly what I'm doing, what my team does for me to make extra cash on Autopilot. Listen, disclaim, this is not meant to make you super rich. You can't buy a Lamborghini by doing this. But listen, you can make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 per month. It's up to you depending on what your goals are, okay? So as you can see here, we're gonna focus on intro here. So you look here, this is a nice little intro video. Okay, so what we wanna do is, say if we wanna change this, okay? Say if we wanna put a special word here, okay? And what we're gonna do here, okay? I clicked on edit video. If I scroll down, I'm gonna click here, okay? No, that's not what I want actually. Hold on, let me go back. Let's do this video here, okay? And let me minimize that. Can everybody see that? Smash the like button if you can see this. I'm using my iPhone. I'll tell you why in a moment here. Edit this video here. What you want to do is click on where it says your text, okay? And like I said, I'm gonna give you the word in a second what you need to do. But say if the word is big head, which is your big old head, right? We know you got a big forehead. Your mama know it, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, well, you got a big head, right? It is what it is. You hit save, right? How easy was that? And then here, you can put a logo here as well. It's not mandatory, but we're just gonna put something right here just to get it started here. And as you can see here, you go to next, and then you go to next, okay here, got it. And then you click on the word make video, and it's gonna start rendering. I'm gonna go to dashboard, and as you can see here, I've already rendered a few videos. Check it out. Ooh, you like that? Or this, check it out. I rendered this earlier. Let's go, let's go. Right, can you imagine, listen, can you imagine going to the site and basically making $30 every time you make a simple video like that? So you think that internet marketers and developers around the internet are so smart. The thing is, we have so many websites out there that would do the work for you behind the scenes. And now you're going to become that type of person that you're going to do it for other people that are lazy. See, people are just lazy. And what we as internet marketers understand, since so many people are lazy, we use these sites. So when you're asking for a video, so instead of going in Cam Studio or some expensive software, we go here in a couple of seconds. Every time you make a video like this, that's $30. So that's 30, 60, 90. That's $120 that I'm making right now. But I'm gonna show you because it's another site that you need to go to start raking in the cash. But smash the like button if that makes sense. And the great thing about this site, you can do this over and over again. You have many templates here. You can choose the one that you want, and you just type the word that the people are going to give you, and you just make the money online over and over again. How many of you can see yourself doing this? Okay. Hello? How many of you can see yourself doing this? You know, it's really important to believe that you can do this. You know, you can watch this video to the end, you can get excited, but if you don't believe that you actually can make money, you never will. I tell that to my coaching students. I tell that to the people I do personal mentorship with, that if you don't believe that this is possible, if you have a negative attitude, you'll never make money. You would just be a negative, crying person on the planet here, okay? Now listen, this site, the next site that you need to go to is what is called Quickengigs.com. You hear me? You see this, Quickengigs.com. Now this is new to a lot of people. A lot of you are familiar with Fiverr, but I'm not going to use Fiverr because Fiverr has too much competition. That makes sense? But Quickengigs, kind of new. It's not a lot of competition, so you can milk it like crazy right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly what you do with the videos that you're going to grab from here to go to here. Does that make sense? You're going to click on videos, animation. Can you see that? Click on intros and outros. And as you can see here, check it out below. You see this guy right now? He's making $30, okay, for cool YouTube intros videos, okay? Isn't that crazy? $30 every single time. And people are buying it. As you can see, he have a 5-star rate. And what you need to do is create an account here. And listen, as a bonus, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an account here for free to get more people to gravitate to your deal. It's really simple. It's really easy. All the great internet marketers that make a ton of money, we all do it. And I'm going to show you a back way to do this, okay? And like I said before, look, if you want to cash out, if you want 20, 25 bucks, 50 bucks, or 100 bucks from me, if you tag as many people below, I'm going to give it out to 3 to 5 people. All you have to do is tag people below in the comment section right now, okay? I'm going to come back to your comment, and I'm going to give you some cash. Say, hey, you won. Send me a DM. You're good to go. Is that cool? All right? I just want to show you some love here. So, listen, all these people here are basically creating intros and outros, and they can pay $30. This person getting paid $40 here, over and over again, $40 here. Does that make sense? Over and over again. And all they're doing is doing a service for people, and all you have to do is go to the site and create the intro for them for almost nothing. That makes sense? Okay, so look, I want you to do the math here, okay? Because I'm gonna be honest with you. When you create the video here and you download that template, it is gonna cost you $9 to get rid of the logo. But understand this, if you're making $30 per, because listen, you don't buy from here, you don't pay these guys $9 until you get orders here. And I want you to continue to watch because I'm gonna show you how to get people to order from you like crazy. Does that make sense? I'm gonna show how to get several orders a day over and over again on Quickengigs. Is that cool? Okay. I know what you're thinking. I love me some Wesley Virgin. Listen, if you love some Wesley Virgin, I love you too. Let's go. Right? It's up to me. Listen, I know you're asking, Wesley, why would you give all these secrets and all these ways to make money online right now to me? Because I truly believe that service leads to greatness. If I help enough people get what they want, you would get what you want. So I got to get you guys wealthy, rich, and profitable so you can leave your 9-to-5 job so you can travel around the world with me. And I know how to party. You have no clue. All right, so look, this is what you want to do here. Because you may be asking, well, Wesley, if I create an account right now on Quickengigs, okay, start my profile here, how can I ensure to get people to buy? Easy. I'm going to show you something. Watch this. I want you to go to Fiverr.com. And see, the great thing about Fiverr.com, they do the same exact thing. But the thing with Fiverr, it's just so competitive, okay? You can do it on Fiverr as well, but they're very competitive here. Quickengigs is pretty new, so you're more likely to get someone to grab your gig here, okay? What you want to do is you want to find a guy on Fiverr that has a 5-star rating and has a bunch of reviews, okay? You see this one, and you see this one is 1,000 views. So all that means is this, that these people's profile, all you need to do is model it, okay? Does that make sense? Comment the word model. That's how people get wealthy. They model. That's what Burger King did to McDonald's. That's what Bank of America did to Chase and so on here, okay? Model. So what I do is I see what this guy did, right? I copied this as my title, okay? I put up a couple of intro videos just like this guy did as well. And everything that you see below here, okay, about the gig, you want to copy, okay? Copy this. So you copy this entire profile here, right? And all you want to do when you create your account here, you want to use everything that this guy used. Does that make sense? Everything from the basic, the standard to the premium, you want to copy everything. Why? It's going to make you more desirable, okay? This guy created a profile that people like because he knows how to write copy. You want to just copy his copy here. Does that make sense? Almost everything. You want to model it when you create it here. This is how you get people to take your gig over and over again. Does that make sense? You just model somebody else that's already doing well. You're going to be the Burger King to the McDonald's, okay? You're going to be the Walmart to Target. Does it make sense? Like Walmart and Target, they sell the same BS, right? But yet they're billion-dollar companies here. Grocery stores, right? H-E-B, Sam. I mean, it's Sam's, Costco. They sell the same stuff, different name. But what they do is they model other people. That makes sense? If you want to make money online, model other people. And guess what? That's it. Okay? That's how you make $30, $60, $90 over and over again, like these people right here. And these people here, they're going to just give you the word that they want you to do. And you just keep raking in the cash by using MotionDan.com. Any questions for me? Listen, if you want the cash app below, go ahead and smash the like button. The more people that like it, share it, and tag below, I'm going to give out some free cash outs. But listen, I urge you to actually use the technique. It works. It's powerful. I have a full team that does this for me. And listen, you can do this, okay? I want you to truly hear those words deeply, okay? You can do this. You have to attempt to do this now. Now, I also have a training if you want me to show you how to create a product. I've done over $40 million in a couple of years here by creating products online. I'll leave a link in the description below. But understand, before you click that link, I want you to try this. Do it. You can do it. You got to believe in yourself. Even if you fail the first time, try again. If you fail again, try again. And keep trying until you do it. That's how I became a millionaire. I'm not smart. I'm not super intelligent. I don't have any specialized education. But one thing about me, if I want something, I get it. And I get it through failing over and over again until it works. And guess what? It always works, okay? Hey, I love you guys so much. This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Thanks for subbing to the channel. Turn on your notifications. Much love. This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Like this now. Let's go.